Hi friends! I want to tell you how I picked up the ribbon cable for the keyboard of the Roland JV-80 synthesizer. When I bought a Roland JV-80, the ribbon cable was damaged. Because of this, the top of the keyboard did not work properly. I wanted to buy the original 18-pin ribbon cable, but faced with the fact that this cable no longer makes Roland. Therefore, I had to pick up on the internet. After a long search, I still picked up a suitable flexible cable from those available on AliExpress. Link under the video. This flexible cable is suitable as a native cable. And my Roland JV-80 synthesizer sounded again. Thanks for watching.